G'day everyone, Brendan Fowler here from Fleetwear. I thought I'd share today a story about a networking event I was at last week, chatting to a range of people in the civil and mining space, and I was introduced to a gentleman who works in a planned hire business, and he seemed to think that didn't need any of our solutions. When I asked about what they do, they don't track any of their equipment or machinery, and it brought forward an interesting conversation. And what I learned from talking to him was that sometimes people in these hire businesses don't actually realise they need telematics in their business. And I'll explain why very quickly. So one of the stories he shared with me was that they've got equipment out on site that they can't recover. They've got customers who are not paying and they can't get the equipment back. They don't know where it is. Clearly that's a risk for a business and a way you can lose money and also limit your revenue you can bring in as well. So I very simply explained that by putting one of our tracking devices in the machine with a relay switch on the ignition wire, we could actually allow him to remotely immobilise that machine so that the customer couldn't actually turn it on if they haven't paid their bills. Obviously with having a GPS tracking device as well, you know exactly where it is, and you could go and recover the asset, inform the authorities and get your asset back nice and easily. But there's a lot more to it than that. So yes, asset recovery is a big part, remote immobilisation is part of that as well, but also how the machine's being used. Are they being mistreated? Are they being rolled over? Are they having an accident? Are the operators mistreating the machines? So with our telematics data, we can actually provide you with data and reports and notifications on exactly how they're being used. And then also you might think, oh, well, my machine's out of sight, so I don't have to worry about servicing my machine or working with the proactive maintenance on the machine. We can actually tell you how many run hours it's been running for, so you can schedule your maintenance in a proactive manner so they don't get missed, and then ideally it will reduce ongoing maintenance going forward because you're staying on top of that servicing regime. So if you're in a business where you've got hire equipment, plant machinery, whatever it might be, material handling, digging, we can certainly help recover your assets, improve billing and efficiency, be aware of how they're being used, and also help you stay on top of your servicing needs. If this sounds like it might be useful to you, I'd love to hear from you.